Right, so today we are making my mother's own recipe, Irish vegetable soup, from a handwritten book given to me about 20 odd years ago. So it's all good, it's good for the immune system. Don't forget to wash your hands. So yeah, the vegetable soup itself is really easy to make. These are the things you need to gather together. Vegetables, as you can see, you can really throw anything into it, and chicken stock cubes. Don't panic if you're vegetarian, you could put vegetarian stock cubes in there, but it won't taste as nice because it never does. Salt, pepper, parsley, celery, parsnips, big leek, 3 wee onions or a couple of big ones, a couple of bits of garlic, plenty of carrots, and you can throw really anything in there. Turnip and a few other things. And you need a measuring bowl, one of those things, colander. And you need a big pot. It looks like that. That's it. We're gonna wash, clean, prepare the veg, start to rattle it all together. Okay, so vegetables all prepared, chopped up nicely. These ones you can play with that and make flags of the world if you're really bored. If you've ever revolutionary, you've got the Ivory Coast in there, Ireland of course, and India. So yeah, let your hair down. So here's what we've done. Here's where we are. Tell you what's coming up next. Next bit, 2 chicken stock cubes or vegetarian ones if you want. But that tastes rank. But I appreciate it vegetarian. Have 2 of them in there. Kettle, 1.5 pints. Bish bash bosh. Mix it around. Yeah, mix up your stock. Let the stock cool down. 1.5 pints and 2 stock cubes. I've diced some of that. I'm going to throw that in, about 3/4 or 2/3 of that packet, and then at the end I'm going to keep that bit to throw in fresh on the top because it tastes nice. These vegetables, we're going to heat up a big pan, and you can stick a couple of spoons of cooking oil in there if you want. You can also use that stuff, but I don't like it because it tastes like shit. So I'm going for the heart attack option. I'm just going for a big knob of butter. For a knob, I'm going to whack that in there. We're going to slowly add these. And you're supposed to let them saute for about 4 or 5 minutes. That means you let them go soft. Don't burn it though. Don't get the oil too hot. Use butter if you can. Secret to this, there's your butter melting beautifully in there, is yeah, we're going to put the harder vegetables in, which are going to be the carrots and parsnips and maybe some of the celery in at this point. But you chuck them in, give them 5 minutes. Let them soften a wee bit, then the softer ones go in after that for about another 10 minutes on low heat. Let them saute. And then we're going to have some of that in, and then that's going to go into it as well. They look good, they're sauteing, it's posh word for softening. And that butter, going to leave them in there 4 or 5 minutes. Add the leeks, add the celery after that, then the onions. Going to hoof that in as well. And then we're going to hoof that in, and we're almost done. Now it's up to you at the end, you can blend that, you can leave it big chunky sizes, it's up to you if you want a really wholesome soup. But blending's good too. Okay, so you can sweat it for 4 or 5 minutes. Just a quick point on it as well. You can add other things to it. A few cups of things. You can put peas in there, lentils, barley, split peas, whatever you want. I've chucked in some kidney beans because I had some in the cupboard. Yeah, those things you need to kind of soak them for an hour beforehand. Some of them. Yeah, but by all means, hoof in whatever veg you've got, stuff left over in the cupboard, in the fridge, make use of all you've got. And now it's time to add all the rest of the veg, not the stock, the veg. I hoof them in there for about 10 minutes and give them a good stir. Looks good. Immune system in a pot. Sorted. 10 minutes later, come back 10 minutes later, that's done. 1.5 pint of stock. Bosh. Stir and cover for 40 minutes. So yeah, I've had that boiling, well not boiling, just simmering, don't boil it. I've had it simmering for about 15 minutes now. A couple of quick things. I have seasoned it, so salt and pepper to taste as you want. One mistake I made at the start of the video was garlic. We're not adding garlic into this, although you could, but I just haven't because it's not my mum's recipe. But yeah, season it as you feel is right. Try not to let it boil, just let it simmer away. Yeah, and you got 30 to 40 minutes from adding all the vegetables and the stock until you've got a gorgeous soup ready that will, you know, build the immune system. Might not save you from coronavirus, but you know, at least you'll go out with something good in your belly. Just wait for the zombie apocalypse. Might be more useful then.